Hello friends, let us discuss a problem based on constraint and kinematics in this video. So in the figure shown, we have to find out the value of theta, assuming the string to be tight, the velocities of both the blocks A and B, as well as the velocity of pulley is shown in the diagram. So let us now proceed to solve this problem. So I have already redrawn this diagram for ready reference. Now the next step will be to drop the perpendicular from pulley to the line joining both the blocks. Now let us assume this distance to be equal to x, y, and this distance I have assumed it to be equal to z. Now I can write the value of this length to be equal to root of x square plus z square. Similarly, the length of the string from pulley to second block can be written as root of y square plus z square. Now for this problem, the total length of the string can be written as the length L will be equal to the sum of both the portions, that is root of x square plus z square and y square plus z square, which is equals to L. Now differentiating the given expression with respect to time, we can write, after differentiating this given expression with respect to time, I can write 1 upon 2 under root of x square plus z square 2x dx by dt plus 2z dz by dt. Similarly, on differentiating the second portion, we can write 2y dy by dt plus 2z dz by dt, which is equals to 0 since length of the string will remain constant. Now after a little bit of simplification, we can write this expression to be equal to x upon root of x square plus z square into dx by dt plus z upon root x square plus z square into dz by dt plus y upon root y square plus z square into dy by dt plus the last term will be equal to z upon root of y square plus z square dz by dt, which is equals to 0. Now it is very clear from this diagram that the value of x upon root of x square plus z square will be equal to cos theta. So instead of this particular value, I can substitute cos theta. The value of dx by dt in the problem is minus 15 plus, similarly, this value over here, it represents the value of sine theta. For this right angle triangle, the value of z upon root of x square plus z square represents sine theta. The value of dz by dt is equal to plus 10 since z is increasing. Similarly, you can substitute the value of this particular expression, which is again with the help of this triangle, which can be written as cos theta, that is cos 45 degree. The value of dy by dt is 10 plus this last term can be written as sine 45 degree. The value of dz by dt again is given to be equal to 10. So now you can simplify this expression to finally find the value of theta. Now the only thing remaining in this problem is a little bit of calculation part, and after solving the expression, this particular expression, you can Now set on to find the value of theta, and this will be our desired or final result for this problem. And this value of theta is matching with none of the options, so our answer will be none of this.